So exactly this time last year, I started programming. I've never watched a video, never read a script, never read a book on it. I just wanted to get past a business failure I just experienced. I'm a student, and during the corona strike, I started a business. After the corona, resuming school, I could not jungle the business with school. So thinking that what can I do and what can I implement? So I had a friend that was into programming and I had no option. So I didn't get time to think through it of is this what I'm going to do? But luckily for me, I was able to create a good roadmap that has really helped me to this point right this moment. So I'm going to be sharing the things I learned through my journey and how to go about it. So let's get straight into the video. So I'm actually not going to lie to you. Starting programming was stressful. I didn't even know what to expect, didn't know what to see because I I heard that you need to be smart in order to know exactly what you're doing. And I'm someone I'll not say I'm not smart, but I'm not a genius. But I know how to express things in a way I understand it fully. So the first thing I did was that I knew programming is divided into so many aspects. You have mobile, web, and everything. But I was thinking if I was to make a good way for myself, what was the best thing to do? So the first thing that came into my mind was to find someone that was already doing well in programming, not thinking about what part of the programming the person is doing. So I found someone that is good in web development. So I spoke to him and he gave me the exact steps for me to go. So it was more of an easy run for me. I had someone guiding me through what to do. Doing that, I started with HTML, CSS, which was pretty simple. I used YouTube videos to start it. After that, I got a Udemy course for free. Now, if you don't know how to get Udemy course for free, all you have to do is search on your YouTube how to download Udemy course for free, and you're going to see tutorials that teach you how to do that. And I did like up to 16 projects. Yeah, 16 projects on HTML and CSS. Then I entered JavaScript. Entering JavaScript was a totally different field for me. I didn't so I would say I was scared of JavaScript because that's the main language. Entering into JavaScript was like you're actually entering into the main deal, and I didn't know what to expect. The first thing I did, I started with a tutorial that had a project based form. So it guided me through on what to do by copying exactly what they were doing, then trying to replicate it on my own. After doing the YouTube tutorial on Java, I went to download a Udemy course for free also that teaches in-depth JavaScript. So I did several projects on it. After doing several projects on that, just based on the fact that those projects they cannot be fully uploaded based on it is just plain JavaScript. I had to go to CodeWall. CodeWall is a site whereby it's an algorithm site whereby you write code, you test code, you correct code. They give you setup. It's usually called algorithm and data structure. So I went to algorithm and data structure. I was able to solve over 200 algorithm and data structures. Then after that, I went into React and TypeScript. If you are not used to all these things, part of the things that you get to know as a developer while you are developing any app or any website. So having some in the very beginning to guide me gave me an head start to know exactly what to do and how to do it. But while coding, there were some challenges I faced, not understanding the code, not understanding what I was typing. So what I do majorly is that if I am coding something or I'm trying to make a website on something and I see there is a particular thing I don't understand, or while watching a tutorial there's something I don't understand, I do an in-depth details on it. For example, now while using React, there is APIs. When you deal with the APIs, it's about sending requests and getting requests. So I didn't really understand the concept. So I had to go personally to Free Code Camp. Free Code Camp is a YouTube channel whereby it's a tutorial based on coding and programming. So I went there to download a full API course that helped me understood how API works and how to do it. So you need to break those things in steps. So if there's a particular thing you don't understand, we are living in an age whereby you can get all the information you need concerning that thing to give you a better understanding. And the reason why I encourage people that ask me how do I code or what do I do to do that is because if you refuse to learn it now, it's just matter of time. You are going to come back and learn it again, and it's going to waste your time. Imagine trying to save a day just to come and spend a month. It does not make sense. So I'm going to be sharing more of these tips on my channel on how to start programming and how to improve your skills and how to upload your project. If this is something you're interested in, kindly like, subscribe and share, and catch you on the next video.